Hey guys, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to make slime. Okay, first you're gonna need a bowl. Second, you're gonna need a spoon. Everybody needs a spoon. And then third, we need some Elmo's glue. Elmo's, I don't know how to say that really. And this kind of shampoo, okay? So first, we have to put some shampoo. I have to do this because there's a bunch and it's just hard to get it out. So let's do this. So I'm gonna do this. Let me see. Hold up, guys. You guys can't really see that good, huh? Oh, shoot. How am I gonna do it? Okay, now you just put some glue in it. Okay, you can see that? Glue. And guys, this is not my real channel. I have another channel that's called, I forgot. I have to look it up. I haven't get on my tablet that much. So now close it. It's kind of hard to do that. Man, Elmo's glue stink. Like last time, I went to my school and we made some slime with Elmo's glue. Whoo! And it was done, you know. And then, I broke. Sorry, guys. And then now, okay. Now I'm gonna get my pen, my what's it called? Straw, whatever. And then, sorry, that's my cousin. Guys, be quiet. Guys, I think this broke. It broke. I don't know what's going on. Now, look, you see that? Now you stir it up. Like, hola, ¿cómo estás? You see, man? I made slime. Like, this is my first time making slime. I always fail, man. Like, I have the supplies. Like, I'm dumb, you know. Get off the spoon. Okay. See, like, I made slime. It's good. This is... Oh, the thing that I'm really using is my grandma's tablet. So, okay, guys. Now, I'm done. That's how to make slime, I guess. But, I don't know if you can use other other shampoo, but with this. But instead of this kind of glue, the white glue, I think you can use clear glue. I don't know, you guys have to try it out, but okay. And then, what do you guys play? I have a PS3, and for Christmas, I might get a PS4, so yeah.